Hi, in front of me is REALME C3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down, go into Fingerprint, Face and Password, click Add Face and enter your current login method. Now you need to read the disclaimer and tap on Continue. So when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!